Yes. So now, shall we continue with what we studied? What was the last we studied in the morning session?
Muscles.
Muscles. Okay.
Muscles.
Now, Rudra, others please mute it. Rudra, Robin, can you tell me some of the functions? That is what we were studied, no? Last class. Can you remember any one of the function I told you to copy? Rudra, Robin. Can you unmute, Rudra? Unmute and tell me. You don't know to unmute. Okay. Kirtana, can you tell me one of the function?
Yes, ma'am. It helps to movement.
Movement. Okay, very good. It helps to movement. Okay. Next person. Sri Hari,
Ma'am,
can you
can
tell
I?
me? Sri Hari, can you tell me?
Ma'am.
What is our next function? What we have learned? Next function, what we have learned? Any function? So many function we have. Forgot? One is movement of the body. What is another
Ma'am,
function?
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Wait. I will
Ma'am,
ask
can I do?
someone. Sarah, Amalia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Srihari, you mute it. Okay, tell me, Sarah, what is another function?
Enable us to move our body parts.
Okay. Another function.
Give us our individual shape.
Okay. Now who is this? Madhu, can you tell me another one?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me another function.
Ma'am, muscles help in when picking up stuff, walking, writing.
Okay. Niranjan. Okay, very good, Madhu. Niranjan, can you give me another function?
Hello, ma'am.
Another function of muscle.
We will shiver.
So, that time, what does muscle do? What does muscle do when we shiver, Niranjan? I think Niranjan is gone. Risa, can you tell me, when we shiver, when you feel cold, our body shiver. So what does muscle do that time? Risa? Unmute, Risa. You don't know how to unmute? Unmute your audio. Wait. Okay, who is this? Okay, Aditi, tell me.
Ma'am, our muscles vibrate.
Okay, our muscles vibrate to produce heat. Risa, you ask your sister Rifa how to unmute and mute, okay? Next time class, because I think you are struggling to unmute and mute. So ask Rifa to help you. Yeah. So these are the things we have learned so far. Enables to move our body parts, give us our individual shape, and protect and keep in place our abdominal organs. Abdominal means stomach. No, I will send in the slide. I will send in the WhatsApp, okay? After the class. That time you can copy. Yeah? Enables to maintain good posture. Good posture means whether you have to bend, whether you have to sit right, whether you have to get up. So for this, that is maintain good posture. So muscle is very flexible. According to your interest, you can move. That's why. Help in the circulation of our blood. Yeah. So morning session, we did exercise. So when we did exercise, what happened? Our blood circulation became more and you become energetic. Yeah. Because continuously sitting, sometimes you get a pain, you get a strain. So once you do stretching and rising and getting up and all, your circulation of the blood boost. Then last, generate body heat when they contract. Generate body heat means what I asked you. When you shiver, what you will do?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I asked you.
I can hear. Now we are going to see how each muscles look like. Okay, there are 3 muscles, correct? Which is the first muscle, children?
Cardiac.
Cardiac muscle.
Cardiac muscle.
Cardiac
muscle
cell.
Yeah.
Skeletal muscle cell. Smooth muscle cell.
Okay, cardiac muscle cell, where it is cardiac muscle cell situated?
in the heart.
Okay,
In
yeah.
the heart.
That is connected to the heart. You can see this arrow, our heart is here. So it is connected to heart. Then next is skeletal muscle cell.
Skeletal muscle cell.
You can look at the skeletal muscle on the bone. Yeah, the muscle which is attached to the bone. The muscle which is attached to the bone. That is what? Everyone just catch hold of your right hand. Right hand. Can you feel the bones? Can you feel the bones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On the bones, can you pluck your skin little up?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are skeletal muscle, the muscle which is attached to the bone. Okay. So when you suppose there was a fire. Suppose there was a fire, and just imagine some of the people got burned. So actually, what is going to happen? First, this muscle started burning. Muscle start burning. It will be melt just like a candle. Then afterwards only bone comes. So that is why this muscle is very fleshy and all. So when you are live, your muscles are just like a wetty skin like, just like a candle. Once you light, how it melts. The same way, when you start burning, just imagine you start burning, then naturally your skin, these muscles are the one first it get melted because of the fire, and then bone. Okay, so that is why after that only you got ashes. You know, the Hindus, they burn the dead body, no? So that is how. So yes.
After they all Hindus also put the ash in the water in the sea.
That is a ritual. That is a ritual. They believe that that ash, if you put it in some of the Ganga or some religious river we have, no? If you put there, the person who die will reach to God. Okay, that is their belief. We Christians will bury the food and we will pray. We will pray, and so that the Atma, you know, the spirit of the person will go. Similarly, Muslims also bury their people and they pray over it.
Ma'am,
so
can
that,
I ask it out?
Yes.
Ma'am, if a person had burned and its muscles melted, half melted, but it's not, it's only half melted. That time, that person, that person's burn gone. Fire go when they every people put water. So what will happen to our that person's muscle?
So suppose whichever part is burned, that part it has to be cured. Okay, so we put the medicine. Some of the medicine, if you put for many days comes, your muscle will come up again. Your muscle will grow. Okay, but what will happen? It will not be the same. There will be black color on the skin. So once after burning, if you are getting the muscles later, suppose he burned very little. Sometimes no, in the kitchen and all we got burned, our finger got burned. After some time you can see that it will come back, no? After
yes, ma'am. I had in
yes.
my body hot water had spilled and
okay, so that kind of
still
yes.
a black.
So that will turn into black in color. You will not get the same color as before. Okay. So nowadays you got burned and your skin is becoming black after you got muscle back. It will become black in color. Sometimes it look ugly. So some of the people, what they do the plastic surgery. So that is some surgery they do. They take their muscle somewhere from their body and they will do the surgery. It will fix it. So that is there. So that is nowadays we have so many surgical items to bring up your body like before. Okay. So that is there. But actually what is happening, once you got burned, you may get your muscle back, but the color of the skin will be in black in color. But just like a hot water, little bit burning may not be much problem, but if you get very, the burning has got more, naturally your skin will become black in color. Okay, that's
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I ask, ma'am?
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, if we any person's hand or anywhere, if acid is having, then their skin will be back, muscle.
They will be back, but they will be disfigured, you know, just like their body become just like puppet. You know, when you make a puppet, some blisters will come somewhere here, some part will be up, some part will be left. So acid burning is very bad actually. Once your acid fallen on your body itself, you may get the muscle back, but your body may disfigured. Yeah, disfigured, you won't able to see that. You feel very,
it will be destroyed cells.
Destroyed cells, disfigured cell, and the people, others people, those who look at you, they may get scared because here and there, there's like a puppet, your skin will bulge like that. Okay. So for that only some people, those who are very rich enough, you can go abroad and you can do the plastic surgery, and you may able to get your body back like that. That is very costly, lakhs of rupees. Yeah.
Can I ask something?
For my sister,
After getting
who is asking? Who is asking? Manav, ask Manav. Tell me.
Ma'am, after getting a burn, there will be something under the bulge, like a very watery substance.
That is our muscle only. Muscle will melt like a candle. Okay, that's why I told you. Okay, children. So shall we move on to the next one? So these are the how they look like. Cardiac muscle, which is attached to heart, and skeletal, which is attached to bones, and smooth muscle, that is why I already told you stomach. If you catch hold of your stomach, you can see your stomach is very fleshy. There was less bone, it is full of fleshy. So abdomen, that is what we call abdomen. Clear? So these are the types of muscles. Now we will see what is the use of muscle. Now we will learn the first type of muscle, skeletal muscles. Okay. So I already told you, skeletal muscles are attached to the bone. That's why someone asked you, ma'am, what is tendon? Okay, tendons. Tendons is another name of bones. Okay, tendon. Sometimes it's a biological name. Usually in English we call bone, but in biology and zoology they call it tendons. Okay, tendon means connective tissue. Okay, so skeletal muscle attached to bones by tendons. Tendons, there are some tissue. I already told you. Our muscle is just like a soft material, like a tissue. And what is the function of skeletal muscle? Movement. So skeletal muscle, the muscles which is attached to your bone, that is the one which is make us to move. Just like this, the feet. Can you see the muscles? They have shown you in white in color, some is in red in color. So these are the muscle on your feet. Pardon?
I just don't know.
I didn't get her.
Ma'am, she said join now.
Oh, okay. No problem. Yeah. Skeletal muscle attached to bones by tendons or connecting tissue and enable movement. So the muscles which enables to move. Which are the muscles, children? Which muscles enables to move?
Skeletal muscle.
Skeletal muscles. Skeletal. Learn the spelling skeletal. S-K-E-L-E-T-A-L. What is that? Skeletal. Not N, skeletal. Okay. So skeletal muscles are voluntary. What do you mean by voluntary? If you wanted to walk, you can just, our mind enough, no? You can start moving because it can be controlled by us. If you don't want to write, you can control your muscles not to write. Yes, but eating food and then digestion in your body, yeah, that cannot be controlled. That is natural. So that is why we call it.
By the brain.
Yeah?
It is done by the brain.
One person tell me, it's not clear to me. What are you saying? Any one person?
Ma'am,
Ah,
the digestion and the heart muscles are controlled by the brain.
by the brain. Yes, by the brain. So this can be controlled by us. Okay, if you want to sit straight without moving, you can do it. If you want to attend the class by shaking your body, then you can do that way also. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes your teachers will say, no, why are you shaking your body? Because you are doing it. That's why. So it can be controlled. And because of that, so which can be controlled, our skeletal muscles can be controlled by us. Okay, skeletal muscles can be controlled by us, but our heart muscles, yes.
What does mean by tendons?
Tendon is a connective tissue. Connective tissue means that flesh muscle, which is connected to the bones. That is another name, tendon. Okay. Yes.
When we don't shake our leg for a lot of time, our leg feels something. What's that
Excuse me,
called?
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Ma'am, what happened?
Oh, I know that.
Oh, Felix, please don't.
Ma'am is
No,
You
no.
know that.
a network issue. Please mute.
Ma'am, power failure. What happened?
Ma'am's
Ma'am
got a
is
power
having
failure.
Power failure, ma'am. Everyone.
No, Felix. Phew.
Why is everyone unmuting?
This is off recording.
I can't be
Aditi will stop the
mute
recording.
everyone and stop recording. Stop recording. Yes.
Muscles cannot be simply stay in your body, correct? It need to be connected. Yeah. So that is why how you make a net and all, the fisher folk make a net. So like that we have to connect it. So that connection is done by the tendons. Okay. So tendons, another name is known as connective tissue. So let me go back again to that.
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
Yes, ask.
Is this blood inside the muscles or outside the muscles?
Blood is inside the vessels. There is a part which is known as vessels, blood vessels.
Vessels.
Okay. Yeah, that you will be learning in
And inside
next
the
year.
blood vessels.
Ma'am,
there
blood
are-
vessels.
Vessels. Yeah.
Blood
Now,
vessels.
Okay. I know.
vessels are, that is the one. If you touch look at you, hold your hands like that. Okay. Let me open my PowerPoint by the time. One minute. Let me open the PowerPoint. Then I'll share for you. Okay. No need. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll come back.
No, ma'am.
Now what I do, you want to see the vessels. So you just keep your hands like this. Okay. Now you touch, there is something is some like one pipe like structure is bulging on your body.
Yes, ma'am.
That is vessels. Our blood is inside. Okay. So blood is inside. And not only that, there's a small thread like vessels also around our body,
Ma'am,
in your
blood
body.
cell.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Blood cell.
Ma'am,
Yes.
They are
Ma'am,
called
I have a
nerves.
doubt.
Yes, doubt. Sira, tell me.
Ma'am, you have said right that the blood is inside the vessels.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when our hand injured, also the vessel will be injured.
Yes, yes. There are so many different type of vessels. There are some vessels are very narrow, like a thread.
Come out.
Yeah, like thread. So that is the one sometimes we got a cut and it will come and suddenly it will stop. But if you cut this big vessel, you know, big vessel means it will take very difficult the blood to clot, blood to stop. So this is, we will learn in higher classes, nervous system and all. Okay. So that,
Small vessel.
Ma'am,
Those
small.
everyone mute if you ask one person, okay? Otherwise I won't able to listen.
ma'am.
Srihari, please mute it. Srihari, mute it. Yes, Navaneet, tell me. Navaneet, are you saying something?
Ma'am,
Are you?
ma'am.
Tell me. Your video is stopping, that's why.
Ma'am, the big blood vessels are called pulses.
Yeah. Pulses is no, that is our breathing, okay? Pulses means when you take breathe, okay? That's different. Manav, what's your doubt? Navaneet, please close your mute. Manav, tell me.
Ma'am, if you cut right here, it will take a lot of time to stop.
Yes, because that is the major vessel. So that is the main body. Clear? Okay, children. Let me go back to what we have learned. So before we have 5 more minutes, let us just go back to what we have discussing. Okay. So this nervous system, all these things you will be studying in higher classes. Okay. So you may be studying little by little. So we are now in skeletal muscles. I told you skeletal muscles are controlled by us. We can control, we can stand, we can make. Okay. So we can, the movements of hands and legs. Now what I wanted, everyone take your note. Now you write as a 1 point only. Write this one. This last one, can you see in the green letter?
Yes.
Can you see? Yeah, that you copy. You write the heading. Next point, skeletal muscles. You have written functions of the
Ma'am,
muscles.
you will send these in the WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, WhatsApp I will send, but I wanted you to write only this.
Ma'am, should we write in paper or notebook?
In the notebook.
Ma'am, we should write the first one or second one.
First one don't write. Only what I ticked with the green. Have you seen? Green letter, that one. So that is only the summary of what we learned now. Skeletal muscles.
Can I write in my rough book?
Yes, everyone should write in the rough book, not on the sheet.
So we should.
Ruled sheets I will send later. First you complete this, okay?
Send the notes today.
Ma'am, we should write that both one you ticked.
Yes, only both. That I tick.
And we have to write in a notebook.
Yes. So today we will learn only this muscle, okay? Next class we will learn other rest of it.
You send the notes today.
Maybe I'll say, because you have workbook, no? You can write the answers on the workbook. That we will discuss on Monday, because we just started, no? We could not cover fully. Yeah? So next week I will be giving you workbook. You have, no? Do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Monday I will,
Yes,
next class I will send you message. Please bring the workbook. That time we can write the answers on that. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now at present today, this class you have only learned about this one, correct? Skeletal muscle. Only those 2 points you write. What I ticked.
Ma'am, in the rough book.
Yes, in the rough book.
Okay.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Everyone finished? So these are the two important points
No,
we have to remember about the skeletal muscles. One is it will help us the movement, and second one, we can control the muscles. These are the two important points about skeletal muscles. Clear? Yes. Okay, see, those who completed, you can leave the class. Only those who do not complete, you stay there. Okay, now almost time up.
Ma'am, the
Okay,
green
ma'am.
point.
Thank you, ma'am. See you
Only
next
because
class, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah, I saw
ma'am.
them. Some are entering now, maybe due to network issue. Others leave. Bye, bye. Bye. Only, yeah, only those who completed, please copy this. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
See
Yeah,
you
bye,
next
bye.
class.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
See you in
ma'am.
the next class.
See you in the next class.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Glenn, complete fast because the next teacher is waiting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye. Those who finish, you can leave the meeting. No problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute your audio and speak to ma'am. Okay. Okay, children, shall I wind up?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
You please mute your audio. I can hear what you speak to mother.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Okay, shall I stop sharing? Felix completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah.